One of the things that we're doing for people is doing Vodcast, which a Vodcast is our video podcast where we sit down just like this, right? I have you on the show. We do the whole thing, produce it. Then we take it, we chop up all of the video for cut-ups for social. Take the whole video, put it on YouTube. Take the audio and put it on all the podcasting channels. But you want to talk about getting to people that you want to get to and building an influence. Now you can call virtually anybody in the city and say, whatever the name of your show is, come on my show. If you call me right now and say, hey, Travis, man, can I get you on my Vodcast? Sure. Think about, you can call anybody from an influential perspective. Now you're putting that content out, and then you can bring those people to your speaker business. You build a show, and give you just wrap your head around it. So we charge $2,500 to create all the show and all the stuff, and $1,500 a month to do 2 episodes. But if you did that, could then you leverage some other opportunities for people to come on your show, produce content, produce information for them. So let's just use Justin for example, right? So you bring Justin on the show. What we do is we turnkey it. So we come and film it all, we do all that kind of stuff, set it all up. But then Patrick's actually going to take that too, and he's going to chop up, say 5 or 7, 8, how many ever good cut-ups there are, 2 to 3 minute. So now, if you come on my show, I'm going to provide you with all this content. Because everybody's trying to figure out good content. So now you're going to provide it for you. So your guests that come on now get content that they can leverage for social media, and they can start putting that out there.
Sure.
Because then the question becomes, then do you leverage a sponsorship option there? Or do you just say, no, I'm not going to do that. I just want to create more content, more value. So for any of our people that are in a publication, I'll also do this for you.
Right.